Hey, Panyaza Lesufi, Premier of Gauteng, Matume Chilwan, MEC of Education in Gauteng, Mayor Xhakaza, Mayor of Ekurhuleni. There are 3 children who have been abducted by criminals who are walking 15 kilometers to Zonke Izizwe. You haven't built schools in Ekurhuleni, in these new townships that you have developed in the past 10 years. You haven't built schools. You have been supplying buses for those children to go to nearby township schools. Now, one of your comrades has eaten money and the bus services have been suspended. The children are walking long distances. Imagine a child from Palm Ridge to Zonke Izizwe walking barefoot to school in the morning. When they reach school, they are already tired. They won't concentrate on nothing. And you are here doing parties every weekend, celebrating ANC nonsense and mediocrity. To the people of Ekurhuleni, Palm Ridge, my neighbors, you hate me. Last year, you wanted to kill me with a foreigner. You came to my house with a foreigner, wanting to mob justice me. The things that you should be fighting for, you are not fighting for. I'm here. I don't have a child for myself, but I'm moved by this thing. I don't have my own child, but I'm moved by this thing. Seeing children suffering, your children suffering, walking to school. Others, they don't even go to school. When you walk during the day, they are here in the townships roaming around. Why do you allow ANC to oppress you like this? Who has bewitched you? Why are you like this, people of South Africa? Foreigners are taking over, have taken over your tuck shops because you are jealous of each other. You only know izinto ezingenangqondo, ezomjolo, izinto ezingenangqondo, ezotshwala. What you should be fighting for, you are not fighting for. You are bewitched. You need to get lost. You need to free your mind from this slavery mentality of yours. They don't have buses to go to school. But you are on WhatsApp group, you are chatting, you are gossiping about useless things. Hi man. Hi, you need to wake up. You need to wake up. Wena Panyaza, useless fool. Do something about this thing, issue yabantwana abahamba ngeenyawo ukuya esikoleni. Resume the bus services for the children. The children are suffering. Hey, sugar man.